Take a ride in the 2016 Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, appearance package, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, one owner. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.